we go. Hi, I'm Tamir's mom, and my name is Londa. What's your name?
My name is
Huh?
Tamir. Cody.
Okay. This is Tamir Cody.
I am Tamir Cody.
And
I am a video game boy.
he is new to YouTube, so he will be making videos.
Buddy years.
It's not funny. He will be making videos.
Rhino ears.
And his video is going to be about
Video games.
video games and what else?
Funny faces.
Funny faces. So I hope you all enjoy his videos. I know I will because I'm going to be checking them out too. And
We only have one more.
happy holidays. Christmas just passed. And don't do that. That's not nice. If you want people to watch your videos, you can't do that. Right, guys? So, check out Tamir videos coming to YouTube.
Get out of here.
2015.
Get out of here.
And I'm going to be checking them out. And
Stop.
guess we'll see you in the next video. Well, actually, you won't be seeing me, but you'll be seeing Tamir.
Okay.
So, see
No,
you.
you
Bye.
won't.
Say bye to your...
Bye.